We had 4,000 steps. And I'm really tired. I'm really tired. God, I no sign for this.
One day being called the city of seven hills, Mount Febe is one of them. It is found in the central region of Cameroon, precisely in Yaoundé, and it has a motorable road from its foot till its top. Here you can have a preview of it.
So we are going hiking. This is the start at home. I got some sugar and some water and some juice in my backpack. I got half liters of water, half liter of fruit juice. I got my menthol and some money. I think that will be enough. Of course, I got protected because on top of the mountain is very, very cold. Yeah.
So here we're in a taxi and we're going towards Rompon Bastos, where our start point will be.
So this is the start. We are at Rompon Bastos and say hi. It's my vlog. We are at Rompon Bastos and we are about to start.
So here, my friends Blandine and Chessa accompanied me because, climbing a mountain, hiking alone is usually not advisable. Here we can see the foot of the mountain around Rompon Bastos. So that's before we start, actually. And we're just moving around and we are going to reach the start point.
So here we've begun. We're at the foot of the mountain and we are moving up. I'm really exhausted. I've made 2,500 steps and 10,000 more to go.
My people, your girl was already exhausted though. Hey, we did not have 10,000 more steps to go. We had 12,000 more to go. So because the total was about 15,000 steps.
We had 4,000 steps and I'm really tired. I'm really tired. God, I no sign for this.
So this is the motorable road I talked about. It begins at the foot and it goes right to the top.
5,000 steps.
See, when I was told we're climbing Mount Febe, I knew it would be easy because it has a motorable road. I did not know it would be this exhausting. And we're just at 7,000 steps. You can imagine. I was already so tired. My God, I was already so sweaty. But we were not the only group hiking the mountain. Every Saturday, many groups present themselves there. They do squats and stretching. So at this point now, I had to stop. Like there was no way. I was so tired. My joints were aching, cramps. I really needed to stretch a little. Though my stretching technique was not the best.
See, I'm stretching there. I'm stretching. See, my joints. Oh God. God. Can't even do it on this hill.
At this point, we're close to the top. We passed the monastery and we passed some houses, the Vatican embassy.
So guys, we were supposed to continue to the top, but there was a signboard saying that we should stop You can see it behind me, that red signboard. And we are going to stop. We'll start moving down. Yes. Unfortunately, our journey has been cut short.
As we're moving down, we decided to sit on this rock. It's a very big rock and it's close to the top. And on it, we could see the whole city down. We could see the. Oh, I was just saying hi to the camera.
So serious.
Yeah,
Hey.
it was a really, really serene
Admitting
moment,
something
peaceful
here.
moment. You're just at the top of the mountain and you can see everything down. It was a very, very wonderful feeling, and at this moment, I did not regret hiking. Just take a look at this beauty. See how gorgeous it is. And the wind, I just can't explain how good I felt. I felt so, so good, and I will do this again. I will do this a second time, a third time, a fourth time, just to get this feeling
So
again.
let's take a little break. Homemade pineapple juice, pineapple and ginger.
And hey, there was some errors I made. Before leaving the house, I did not eat anything, and I nearly had a hypoglycemic shock just midway going up. So I'm going to encourage you guys to take something. It could be some juice, it could be some biscuits, something that is going to give you some sugar, some chocolate, maybe. Yes, that was a mistake we made. Yeah, and here we were just going down. We began our journey down. It was around 10:30 a.m. We spent about 30 minutes on the rock. Yeah, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the rock. We discussed a little, took some pictures, and we started going down. We're just happy, but we're also in a hurry. We couldn't stay there the whole time because we had other things to do in the afternoon. So yeah, I was just happy, I was just smiley, and as I was going down. So fun time. We met this family. They were going to the monastery, and unfortunately, they took the wrong road. So since it is motorable, the car that took them basically crossed the entrance and went beyond the monastery entrance, and they met us at the top of the mountain. So they had to trek back down like about 2 kilometers and they had heels and they were well dressed, and I felt bad for them. On our side, we're just going down again. At least going down is easier than going up. Now we're just getting the wind on our bodies,
You know, it's
and
about a rock
it
somewhere.
was just way easy because we're going downhill. Here we're at about 10,000 steps, yes, and we're midway down. We're just going down, taking our time, and going down. We're just moving. So just enjoy the walk with me. But since the road is motorable, as we're going down, we had to look behind. Maybe a car was coming or a bike was moving up, as you can see just now. Yes, that's the little inconvenience we faced. So this was close to the end. Did we enjoy it? Of course we did. Amen. So this is just a picture dump. The top, some pictures we took. We're smiley. We're happy. Of course, this is Plaza. This is the top. I was just taking pictures with Blandine, with Chessa. Oh, At this moment, I felt so victorious, so happy. The feeling was just amazing. And we took more and more pictures, more and more pictures. I was a photographer, of course. You see, the pictures I took were really, really good, and the sun was giving. So, time for stats. You can see I use my tracker on my iPhone, and these are my stats. We had 651 kilocal activity. We moved about 15,000 steps, 15,000. Our walking plus running distance, about 10.9 kilometers, that's 11, close to 11. We climbed about 15 floors. That was just amazing. I was just happy when I saw the stats. So long story short, was Mount Febe good? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. Will I hike again? Of course, yes. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And you can help me make more hiking videos by proposing a mountain or a hill in Yaoundé which I can hike and upload. Thank you.